process repatriate to Ghana?
Yeah, I would recommend, and I'm also recommending now for those that are interested in repatriating to Ghana. As a matter of fact, I had someone the other day to give them the website, because repatriate to Ghana will help them smooth the ride, smooth the initial process, and it also will save them much time and much energy, because repatriate to Ghana actually put the process in while you're not familiar with it going on. So they'll have the inroad to help you to get back to your home roots, back to your land. So repatriate to Ghana, I would recommend for anyone that wants to come back to Africa. Repatriate to Africa will assist them in making their journey and the requirements much easier.
In one word, please tell me how it feels to be a citizen of Ghana.
It brings back me my life destiny that I've always considered, going back to Africa, back to my roots, back to my identity. So coming back to the land of Africa with the black people, on the land of the black people, gives me identity of whom I am, a black man. So that's what coming back to Ghana means to me. Also, coming back to Ghana means to contribute to the development of Africa, contribute also getting others back to realize the significance of coming back to their identity, coming back to our roots.